I just started with Net 10. I shopped around and Net 10 was the best carrier. I travel around California a lot, Southern California, and I get coverage pretty much everywhere I go. I don't have any problems with it. My Net 10 phone has a lot of features on it. It has FM radio, which I listen to a lot. I can go on the internet, calculator, several different other features, camera. All I can hook it up to my computer, and it's pretty good. I don't care too much for cell phone contracts. I like to be able to go on a month-to-month basis or on a pay-as-you-go. Net 10 has pay-as-you-go and unlimited plans. I usually use the pay-as-you-go, but I have the option of switching to the unlimited or a monthly program. I usually get my airtime cards at any of the big retailers, or I just call in and add airtime. I can also do it straight from my phone. I have friends that have contract phones, and they're usually changing here and there to different providers, and I always suggested that they try Net 10. I recommend Net 10 to just about anybody who has a cell phone. All they have to do is just check out the other providers and check out Net 10, and they'll see that it's a pretty good deal.